Welcome to this English lesson. Today, we will learn about the word additional. This is a very useful word in English. Let's begin. What does additional mean? Additional means more. It means extra. It means something added. When you see the word additional, think of the word more. Let me show you a simple example. Here is one apple. Now we add one additional apple. Additional means we are adding more to what we already have. When do we use the word additional? We use it when we want to add something. We use it when we want to increase something. We use it when we want to give extra. Here is a real example. I have 5 books. Then I get one additional book. Now I have 6 books. The word additional tells us that one more book was added. Here is another example. You have 10 minutes to finish your work. Then you get additional 5 minutes. That means you now have 15 minutes in total. Now let's see how to use additional in sentences. She needs additional help. This sentence means she needs more help. Additional comes before the noun help. Additional is usually followed by a noun. We say additional help. We say additional money. We say additional food. The word additional describes the noun that comes after it. We can also use additional with amounts or numbers. For example, additional 3 or additional 10. This tells us how much more we are adding. You may know another word that is similar to additional. That word is extra. Are they the same? Let's find out. Yes, additional and extra have the same meaning. Both words mean more. You can say additional help or extra help. They both mean the same thing. When should you use the word additional? Use additional in formal writing. Use it when you are giving new information. Use it when you are adding details to something. We can also use additional in questions. For example, do you need additional help? This question asks if the person needs more help. Additional can be used in negative sentences too. For example, there is no additional cost. This means there is no extra cost. You do not have to pay more. Additional works with countable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count. For example, additional chairs. Additional apples. You can count chairs and apples. Additional also works with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count. For example, additional water. Additional information. You cannot count water or information. Let's practice. Look at this sentence. I need blank money. What word goes in the blank? The answer is additional. I need additional money. Here is another practice sentence. She wants blank time. What word fits here? The answer is additional. She wants additional time. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Some learners use additional without a noun. This is wrong. Always use additional with a noun. Another mistake is confusing additional with additionally. These are different words. What is the difference between additional and additionally? Additional is an adjective. It describes a noun. Additionally is an adverb. It means also or furthermore. They are not the same. Let's summarize what we learned. Additional means more or extra. We use it with nouns like additional help or additional time. It is common in formal speech and writing. Why should you learn the word additional? Because it helps you speak and write better English. It is a useful word in many situations. Let me tell you a short story. Tom had 5 candies. He got additional 2 candies. Now he has 7 candies. The word additional shows that Tom received more candies. Here are more examples. We need additional chairs for the meeting. The teacher gave us additional homework. I want additional sugar in my tea. Can I have additional information about this? We use additional in daily life. We use it at school. We use it at work. We use it when shopping. We use it when cooking. It is a very common word. Let's practice using additional in questions. Do you want additional help? This is a polite way to ask if someone needs more help. Try using this in your conversations. Now practice with negative sentences. There is no additional fee. This means you do not have to pay extra. Practice making your own negative sentences with additional. Time for a quiz. Complete this sentence. We need blank chairs for the meeting. Your choices are additional, add, addition, or addable. Which one is correct? The correct answer is additional. We need additional chairs for the meeting. Additional is correct because it is an adjective that describes the noun chairs. Great job. Keep practicing. Use the word additional in your sentences every day. The more you practice, the better you will become. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you now understand the word additional. Keep learning and keep improving your English. See you in the next lesson.